Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Today we pick up the keys of a new property that we secured. So we completed and exchanged last Friday, but over the weekend we had Greta's birthday.
So we had no time to collect the keys.
Yeah, and today's Tuesday, so we're collecting the keys. We're going to be seeing it the first time for a while, actually. And we're also meeting our contractor today because they actually starting work on it tomorrow. So we need to make sure that everything's ready there. But yeah, we will take you along. We will pick up the keys and I will show you the property. So come along with us. So usually Greta drives because I'm doing the works on the laptop. I need to be efficient with the time, so no time to waste. So now I'm actually reviewing the floor plans of a new property that we secured. We should be getting the keys early next year. So as you can see, this is the elevation designs. So it's quite a large one. I think it's one of our largest ones that we had so far. So you can see it's going to be 3 floors. So this is the ground floor. So on the ground floor, we'll have 5 bedrooms. It's a very large property, but because it's so large, we don't want to put like 20 bedroom HMO in there because nobody wants to share a house with 19 other people. So we have a slightly different strategy for this one. What we'll be doing is, because it's 3 floors, each floor will be separating into a flat, and each flat will have 5 to 4 bedroom HMOs, and we can do that under permitted development, so we don't have to go for full planning to convert the whole property into 14 bed HMOs.
So the property actually has been already approved to go from commercial property to 3 apartments, but the previous owners, they started the work, but they obviously didn't finish for we're not sure what reasons. So because it's already an apartment, we're just gonna try to go on the permitted development rights and try to get each apartment converted into small HMO from C3 to C4.
That will save us quite a bit of money already, because the strip out, the majority of the strip out is done. All we have to do is remove a few more chimneys, and then yeah, we can crack on. So we're expecting that the works will take hopefully about 6 months, even though it's a large scheme, but the strip out, because that's done, it will save us quite a bit of time. But obviously we're making some adjustments now, because the previous layout was not something that we liked, and we want to maximize the space and the rooms to make them a bit bigger. So yeah, that's why I'm reviewing the plans now. But let me show you actually the plans. This is then the ground floor. So as you can see, we have here the entrance coming in. So there's a staircase going to each floor, which will be an apartment. Then on the ground floor, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms and a kitchen for everyone, which will be quite nice. And then as you go up stairs, this is then the first floor. You go up, then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms and a kitchen, so which is quite nice. So again, we can do this under PD rights. We're going from C3 to C4, so we're minimizing the risk. And then in the loft, we then have an additional 4 bedrooms. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a kitchen there, which is amazing. We can have 14 bedrooms and then apply for commercial valuation on the back end. That'll be an amazing deal. So yeah, we work on this one. We are going through legals right now, and as I said before, we should get it beginning of next year. But yeah, let's now go back to the road and then pick up the keys.
Here we are, Sarah means exciting part, picking up the keys. See you in a second, guys.
A few moments later.
Here we are. Bunch of keys. Wow, I hope that's not a car. Looks like a shutter gate. Yeah, now let's go to the property so we can show you what we actually bought. The beauty. I'm super excited about this property. Daniil was not convinced first time we visited, but then I said, maybe let's revisit. And then the second time he was like, Yeah, it's great. Actually, it's large. We're not gonna do any loft conversion in this one, which should make the whole development so much faster, which is great. So now let's go inside. We're gonna show you. Welcome to my crib, guys. We actually just met our contractor. We walked through the property with him. We discussed what needs to be done tomorrow. And here is the property. This one, I think, is the largest room, has such a nice features all over. I really love it. And obviously the only downside, the owner left all this furniture for us to clear, which obviously an agreement was that the whole property will be empty. So we need to call our solicitor to discuss that. This is where it's gonna be a second bedroom. We're gonna remove these doors to the garden. This house has a really nice large garden, which is quite unusual for the townhouses here. So we're gonna insert the window here, and let me show you where is gonna be our kitchen living area. So this is gonna be a nice kitchen. I didn't mention to you, we're gonna convert this house to 8-bedroom HMO. It's a shared house for 8 people. And we're gonna convert this on existing footprint. This house already has a loft. That's what was so appealing for us, because we don't have to do a loft conversion, because on all our previous projects we did loft conversion. On this one, we can make an 8 bedrooms as it is on existing layout, which is great. One of the nice old features in the house. Don't see those around anymore. And obviously here will be a nice living area with the access to the garden. Behind the door, behind the fridge, we have a garage. It's old garage, but we're gonna be removing it. We're gonna be knocking it out because the roof is leaking and it's old and it's just not worth of keeping it. Now, let me take you upstairs. So we are on the first floor. It's super cold today. It's only 1 degree outside. So here we have an old toilet and an old bathroom, which we're gonna convert into the room as well. Because as you can see, we have massive landings in this house. So there is just a lot of space on the landings. So we're gonna remove all these walls and we're gonna bring it up to here somewhere to create a nice bedroom with an ensuite. And then this is gonna be the 4th bedroom here as well, really good size. I mean, actually, when we viewed this house, it was in a quite nice living condition and someone was living here. Obviously, they made such a mess and yeah, quite a bit of stuff for us to clear. And then here, this is used to be an old door, which is gonna be another bedroom, but obviously as well, we're gonna bring it up here a bit, I think, because we're gonna use some landing space to give to this bedroom here. And we're gonna open up the door and then it's gonna be another nice bedroom here, which is now connected with this bedroom. So we're just gonna split this into 2 nice bedrooms. And now let me take you to the loft. This loft currently has 2 bedrooms, open plan bedrooms, I would say, because it used to be a bed here and a bed here, but obviously we're gonna convert this into 2 separate bedrooms. And that's how we're gonna keep the loft. We're gonna just keep it 2 bedrooms here. And we're gonna take as well the space from this little storage room, and we have this quiet, nice size bathroom here. So we're gonna connect the whole floor and convert into 2 ensuite bedrooms. So I'm sure everyone wants to know the numbers. We bought this house for $250,000. Owner wanted $300,000 originally, because there is quite a few properties on this street that got sold for $300,000 in a bit better condition. So we felt like this house is not worth 300 for us. So we went a bit back and forward, took us a bit of time. So we managed to secure it for 250. And we thinking that the renovation will be approximately 160,000. Of course, if there will be no unexpected costs, but I think we can comfortably fit in that budget. And at the end, we're hoping that GDV will be anywhere around 600 to 650,000, just like our other 9 bedrooms being valued at 685,000, and they've been fully let right now. And if you would like to see how our last project looks like, you can check out the video here. It's by far our best finished product, and it's been fully let right now. And of course, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.